Why patience is the key to Forex trading. Patience is key in any aspect of our lives. From cooking to exercising or creating something, patience is necessary for situations to be evaluated in the right way, and at the time of being executed, do your best. In the case of Forex, there is no exception. In fact, we find that it is a primary feature that every trader must possess. Why do we talk about it? Well, to develop your currency trading plan, you will need time so that it can be devised of the best. Then we have the fact that the skills are not obtained at night, so you must devote enough time so that you as a trader can have the best skills and acquire enough knowledge. The whole process waiting for the right business opportunities requires a lot of patience, so you don't make mistakes or rush to erroneous operations. What is discipline? We can see discipline as a virtue since it can be something natural in some human being. However, it can also be an advantage acquired if you have enough tools to do so. You will wonder how you can find these tools. Well, that is achieved with the self-study of your ways of trading and the handling of your emotions. Rules of discipline in Forex. Being disciplined in the Forex market involves different important aspects. You must develop a good strategy that has been previously tested and that has yielded regularly good results. The trading plan must be executed correctly, just in the manner in which it is expected to be executed, following each of its previously established steps. You must create personal rules that limit the way you trade, from the time you do it to the amount of money you allow yourself to spend. Trading schedule. The face of discipline. Being disciplined in the Forex market involves different important aspects. You must develop a good strategy that has been previously tested and that has yielded regularly good results. The trading plan must be executed correctly, just in the manner in which it is expected to be executed, following each of its previously established steps. You must create personal rules that limit the way you trade, from the time you do it to the amount of money you allow yourself to spend. Trading schedule. The face of discipline. This important part helps to develop the patience that Forex demands. Stick to a trading schedule and create it is key, so that patience is part of your personality. So a good example is that if you have as part of your strategy to operate at the time the London markets open, then you should not take actions in whatever they are about to close. This would be out of your strategy and could lead to losses. Important. You must also determine the number of weekly transactions to be performed. Of course, you can do this depending on your negotiation style. For example, in the case of intraday operators, they only operate on a particular day since that is what their strategy is about. On the contrary, medium-term operators are responsible for creating limits for a weekly or monthly period. Tips to reach self-discipline. Being disciplined in the Forex market involves different important aspects. Focus on the needs. You must have a clear objective that you can meet, and you must also direct all your attention to that specific point. In the event that your goal is to protect your earnings, you will most likely begin to put final stops in your operations, since that is what you should do. But if your goal is broader, you may spend a lot of time thinking about which part you should concentrate more on, so the objectives should be arranged in the form of priorities so you can focus better. Goal setting. But of course, having a clear objective is essential to be able to focus on. Many times you may feel discouraged, but that does not mean that you should give up, let alone change your objective. Setting a goal is an activity that requires vision and realism. Obviously, if you decide that your goal is to be a millionaire in a week, you cannot pretend that it is met. To be able to have a good trading strategy, you must have a lot of patience and dedication. The trader's patience is an essential element for success to materialize. Friends, I hope this video will help you make money in Forex. Thanks in advance to everyone who watches this video. If you liked the video, please subscribe to my YouTube channel. God bless you.